Good day, everyone. VGA wishes you a very happy Environment Day. As part of the spoken English classes, we have been assigning our students on speaking activities on weekends and weekdays. With respect to the Environment Day celebrated on June 5th, our activity for this week was to prepare a short video on the importance of Environment Day and the importance of preserving nature. So, our candidates have shared some of the videos and we would like to share it to you.
Namaste. This is me, Krishnavedi. See what I have got in this delicious platter? This is a gift for me. From whom? From my mother nature. Do you need one? If your answer is yes, plant a tree once in your life and enjoy the delicacies of nature throughout your life. I planted this tree 10 years before, and even now I enjoy the nectars of nature. So, for me, every day is an environmental day. Look at these pots. Aren't they beautiful? These are plastic cartons. I reused these plastic cartons to beautiful pots and gave my aloe vera and money plant their new rooms. So, try to reuse plastic cartons into pots in your garden. Your garden will look beautiful and the nature will thank you. On this occasion of World Environmental Day, I would like to say a few words. Not only June 5th, but make each and every day of your life a perfect environmental day. A seed every day. You and your children will not starve. Reuse plastic cartons into beautiful pots. Your children will be protected. Encourage your children to drink water in steel bottles. They keeps it healthy. And try to make the students remember that your school is not a garbage plot. So keep in mind that a single chocolate wrapper takes millions of years to get diffused. So it is not yours, not mine. It is our responsibility to save and protect the mother who nourished us, the Mother Nature. So, happy Environmental Day.
Hello friends, how are you all? Hope you all are doing good. Today I am going to talk about Environment Day. June 5th is the International Environment Day. How do you define environment? For me, the surroundings and the condition where a human being or a living being survives is called environment. From past few years, our environment got polluted and the pollution became a major problem in our life. What do you think? Who is responsible for pollution? The human beings and their development. I think development is also one of the reasons for pollution. We can't blame development because development is mandatory. As we all know a proverb, no pain, no gain. But we can do one thing, that we can take small initiative steps to improve our environmental condition. Like, stop using plastic bags, plastic items, planting more plants and nourishing them. Stop throwing garbage or waste in surroundings. Instead of that, practicing putting waste into the waste bin. Encouraging our beloved to use bicycle instead of motorcycle. Stop contaminating water, river, lakes, streams, etc. By taking these small initiative steps, we can change our environmental conditions. Let our young generation live in a good environment and breathe fresh air and make our earth neat and tidy. Thank you.
Good morning. This is Shruti KJ. In this Environment Day, I would like to share something about nature and environment. Our planet is a home of millions of species. Mother Nature gave us a lot to live, but we humans made it only ours, and we are returning a lot to die. We exploited our planet and polluting our land, sea, air. Wake up before it is too late. Let us come together and make this world livable for everyone. This World Environment Day make a change. We have only one earth. Let us take care of it. Happy Environment Day. Save trees, save water, save our environment. Thank you.
Hi friends, I'm Sahai Sinchia. Today I'm going to talk about World Environmental Day. Today the world is remembering the environment which is helping us to do our daily duties well. When we speak about environment, cleanliness is very important and it plays a vital role in the environment. Environmental cleanliness helps us always to be clean, healthy and safe. There is a story which I remember when I speak about environment and cleanliness. Once upon a time, there was a young man, who was walking around the park. As he was walking, he noticed a tree which was crying aloud. This boy went near and asked the tree, "Why are you crying?" And the tree replied, "I am providing many good things for the human beings, such as um, fruits, shadow, air, and many other good things. But they in return throw plastics and undecayable waste over me. This makes me hard to breathe, and I think if it continues, I will die." Dear friends, I wish and encourage you to teach cleanliness to our young kids because they are the future of the world, and this cleanliness will help them to be clean, healthy, and make their surroundings clean, and this will also develop their personality. We know many water bodies, land, and air are polluted continuously, and it destroys the surroundings too because of the uncleanliness of our surrounding. So, this year 2022, let us take a firm resolution to keep the surroundings and keep the nature clean and pure. Let us be clean, make clean, and teach clean. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Shalini. Save environment, save life. As you know, today we are celebrating the World Environment Day. In this moment, I would like to ask you, what is environment? Environment consists of air, water, and land. It consists of everything we see around, like trees, plants, flowers, animals, birds, and also people. People, mother, neighbor, friends are all the parts of environment. Animals like peacock and cats also are parts of environment. The fish in the pond and also found an environment. Tree with birds, butterflies on roses, is green grass below, the blue sky above, all makes the environment. Environment satisfied all our needs. It is provide us with air that we breathe, water that we drink, food that we eat, and clothes that cover our body. We live in this place. We are in parts of environment. This environment belongs to all of us. Let us help to keep the environment clean. How? Never throw the chocolate covers on the ground. Always throw waste in the dustbin. Water the plants every day. That gives us food. Save water by switch offing tap properly. Switch off the light when not in use. We know that all environment very important, and we are all the parts of environment. Thank you.
Hi friends, I am Anisha. Today we are celebrating the Environment Day. First of all, we must know that what is the environment. Environment is a natural surroundings. It comprises water, air, trees, plants, etc. These everything very essential for a human being. It helps us in many ways. but we are not giving much preference for environment. We are trying to destroy it with knowing or unknowingly by burning the plastic, cutting trees, throwing waste in the public, etc. So try to preserve environment. This is the source of our life. Environment is degrading due to a lot of human activities. The environment can be saved by planting trees, recycling, reusing, reducing pollution, and creative awareness. Environment is no one's property to destroy. It is everyone's responsibility to protect. Thank you.
Good evening, ma'am, to all my friends. Today, I would like to share my thoughts to need to save environment. I am thankful for you for giving this opportunity. The World Environment Day was established in 1972. The World Environment Day was celebrated in 1974. All over the world, we are celebrated on 5th June. This year 2022 about 50 years since United Nations Conference in Human in 1972. What is environment? Everything that surrounds to us refer to as the environment. All living and non-living organisms come under the environment. Environment is the basic of the life cycle. Environment is the precious gift of our nature. But now our environment is very dangerous. Saving the environment is very important for living a comfortable life. The case of environment pollutions are not limited. Industrialization, urbanization, growth of populations, exploration and mining. So friends, we need to take a effective step to save the environment. This all can be done by planting more trees, recycling vehicles, etc. Let us all pledge to make the environment and keep it healthy. With this, I conclude my speech.
Hi all, I'm Genia, one of the learner of Vidya Global Academy. Here I am going to talk you something about the importance of going green and celebrating World Environment Day. More and more people are thinking about the environmental issues and the ecological condition of Earth nowadays. Why has these problems become so relevant and what should we do to save our future? In my opinion, we have to understood that our irresponsibility causes harm to our natural environment. Our planet suffers from various problems such as pollution, deforestation, global warming, and extinction of biological species, etc., which have been caused by the results of new various anthropogenic activities. These problems are extremely relevant and require rapid and intensive solutions. It is possible to defeat all these problems if the entire humanity changes its approach to nature and natural resources. In simple words, we should go to green to save our earth. The basic principles of going green are reduce pollution, conserve resources, conserve energy, and reduce um, consumption, and protect the ecological balance of earth. And lastly, when we heal the earth, we heal ourselves. That's all. Thank you.
Good morning, all. World Environment Day is the United Nations principal vehicle for encouraging worldwide awareness and action for the environment. World Environment Day 2022 will be held under the theme Only One Earth, highlighting the need to live sustainably in harmony with nature by bringing transformative changes. The government of Sweden will host World Environment Day 2022 in partnership with UNEP. The threat we are facing include man-made disasters and global warming. To meet the needs of the society, we are putting too much pressure on the natural environment. The soil is getting polluted, air, water, everything is under pollution. due to mass urbanization and industrialization. We just have to understand that we have only this one planet, only this one world. We have to move together and reach for the long-term sustainability. Just like how one tree can provide shelter and shade, absorb carbon dioxide and emit oxygen, each one of us can make a difference and improve our planet and replenish our resources. This World Environment Day, let's pledge to take a step to rejuvenate our ecosystem. We can make our earth a better place to live by taking simple steps like planting a tree, keeping all the waste in proper dustbins, and reducing the use of plastics. I am proud to say that for the past 2 years, I have reduced the use of plastics, and I am a part of Save Soil campaign by Isha Foundation, spreading the awareness of saving soil. Let us all do what we can to save our environment and preserve our resources for future generation. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I'm Sindhuja. Today, June 5th, is declared and celebrated as the World Environment Day. So, why do we celebrate World Environment Day? Firstly, we should understand the relevance and acknowledge and nurture the future generation about life saving and its aspect. Time has passed in such a way that this is an urgent need to save our earth due to our own discrimination, continuous rise in global temperature, melting of polar ice caps, bleeding of coral reefs, floods, droughts, and increasing risks of tsunami. The condition of Mother Earth is getting deteriorated, which is reducing the chances of life sustainability. Earth. Earth is the most important source of all basic elements required to keep us alive. Bad human activities have given rise to various environmental issues. That is, the increasing level of release of toxic fumes, chemical water, and excessive noise. Our environmental condition is plummeted continuously as a result of deforestation, urbanization, industrialization, and pollution. It is threatening the lives through global warming and climate change because of the carbon dioxide and greenhouse gases. We should save our environment to balance all the natural cycles. We are in need to bring a huge difference in our natural unnatural lifestyle as much as possible to save Earth. We should save forests through afforestation and reforestation. This is the only way to protect living things in our Earth. So that kindly make sure we have to limit the uses of plastics and we have to follow the methods of recycle and reuse. By this only all the women and men, mankind can make this place a better place to live.